All right, clap for us, Cooper. There we go.
We have one of those little clapboards in the marketing office. Totally should have brought it. Inside Marvel Universe of Superheroes are over 300 artifacts, including iconic costumes and movie props from Marvel Studios. There's also original artwork, comic books, illustrations, along with interactive displays and life-size statues of some of our favorite Marvel characters. This exhibition takes up 12,000 square feet on level 2 of Discovery Place Science and covers over 80 years of Marvel history in print, film, and other media. The great thing about this exhibition is no matter if you are a die-hard Marvel fan or if you've just recently been introduced to the Marvel Universe, there's something for everyone. And the way it's laid out is throughout history, you get to see different Marvel storylines, characters, and just so much about this 8 decades of history. So it's really appealing to all ages, all backgrounds, no matter your experience with the Marvel Universe. Everything inside Marvel Universe of Superheroes is authentic and original. So the pieces of artwork as well as comic books are on loan from private collectors. There are also original movie props and costumes worn by the actors in the Marvel films that you will see inside this exhibition. We're hearing from our guests who have gone through Marvel Universe of Superheroes that one of their favorite parts inside the exhibition are these life-size characters of some of our favorite Marvel characters, including Spider-Man and Black Panther. And these make for really great photo opportunities and selfies. This exhibition is open daily, 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. at Discovery Place Science in Charlotte, North Carolina. It is here through September 4th, 2023. We also have a special Marvel After Hours experience where you can come exclusively see this exhibition after hours once the museum is closed on select Thursday, Friday, and Saturday evenings. Fun fact, this exhibition is only here in the Southeast at Discovery Place Science, and it will be heading overseas next, so be sure to catch it while it's here and experience the Marvel Universe.